Hi, Tim here, back at Danobat. In the railway wheel maintenance, safety comes first. And today, I want to show you how we make a real difference. Our underfloor wheel truing solutions are designed for all types of railway vehicles: metro, tram, commuter, high speed, locomotives, and freight cars, built for the real-world railway environment. We focus on getting every possible mile out of each wheel. The machine automatically adapts each wheel set and even proposes an optimal target diameter. So you remove only what's needed and extend the life of your wheel during reducing the cycle time and your operating cost. And when availability is critical, our tandem solutions make a real difference. Reprofiling two wheel sets at the same time and automatically adjusting to your train's configuration. That's how we keep your trains moving and your operations running. At Danobat, it's not just about the machine, it's about delivering a complete solution. We take full responsibility of the entire project, from the initial concept through the installation, including pit modifications when required, system integration, and commissioning. And wherever you operate, we're right there with you, with our local expert teams ready to respond fast and keep your operations running. We'll keep you on track.